Welcome to Homework Lib.
I have a function, s of t equals negative 16t squared plus 32t. T is telling me how long my object has been in motion, and s of t is my position. Where is it? Now, if you look at this function, it is a parabola. T, my independent variable, is the thing that I'm squaring. It has a negative coefficient, so this is a downward facing parabola. If I want to know the maximum height, I need to find the vertex. That's the maximum value of my function. So to do that, we're going to start by completing the square. Every term with a t, I'm going to remove a minus 16 from, because I want t squared to have a coefficient of 1. So every term with a t gets factored out, and I'm going to leave lots of space inside my parentheses. Now to complete the square. I look at my t term, I take half of that coefficient, which is negative 1, and I square it. That's what I'm going to add back up inside my parentheses. So I'm going to add plus 1. And to make sure I don't change the value of my function, I'm going to subtract 1 as well. The pieces I need to complete the square are t squared minus 2t plus 1. I would like to move this minus 1 outside of my parentheses. But don't forget, everything in the parentheses is being multiplied by negative 16. So when I move it out, it really is coming out as a plus 16. And rewriting this with our square, I get negative 16 times t minus 1 squared plus 16. The vertex happens at the point 1, 16. So what does that tell us? Well, that says when t equals 1 at 1 second, I reach my maximum height of 16. So the maximum height of my object is 16 feet. I would also like to know how long it takes to hit the ground. Well, when it hits the ground, that means my position is 0. I'm at 0 feet above the ground. So if I go back to my original equation, I can plug in 0 for my position. If I solve this equation for t, that will tell me the time where my position is 0. So let's factor out a negative 16t from all my terms, and I end up with t minus 2. Well, either negative 16t is 0, which means t equals 0, or t minus 2 is 0, which means t is 2. Well, at t equals 0, that's when it got launched. That's when it started. So that's not what I want to know. I want to know when it hits the ground again. And that's going to happen when t equals 2 seconds.